DPS TeleClass.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you all, my loving students? I hope you all are doing well. Today Khadheeja Miss is going to take a thematic lessons. Are you all ready? Before starting the lessons, let's read the dua.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Students, I am going to show some pictures. So just look at that pictures and find today's topic. Okay. Look at the pictures and find today's topic. I'm going to give some letters. Letter S, again letter S, N, R, A. So it will be easy to find today's topic. So carry on, students. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Okay, students. Now I am going to tell today's topic. Today's topic is sense organs. Okay, today we are going to learn about our sense organs. Students, now let's look at our learning intention and success criteria. Learning intention. Today we are going to learn about sense organs and their uses. What are we going to learn about? Yes, we are going to learn about sense organs and their uses. Now let's look at our success criteria. You will be successful if you can tell what are the sense organs and also if you know the uses of sense organs, and then you will be successful in today's lesson. Did you know what do sense organs do? We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, hand, and tongue. These sense organs are very important for us. They help us to see and notice the world. So students, how many senses we have in our body? Tell me. Yes, we have 5 sense organs and they are eyes, ears, nose, hand and tongue. Our sense organs and their uses. We have 5 sense organs. They are the eyes, ears, nose and tongue, which are on the face, and the skin is the 5th sense organ, which is found all over our body. There are 5 sense organs. 5 senses: sight, hearing, taste, touch, smell. Sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of taste, sense of touch, and sense of smell. Eyes. We can see things around us with the help of our eyes. We see their color and shape. Ears. We hear with our ears. It helps us to hear different sounds around us. Like example, the bell ring. Nose. We smell through our nose. The smell of different things, good and bad, like food, flour, medicines, garbage, can only be known with the help of the nose. Tongue. We know the taste of different things like sweet, sour, spicy, bitter with the help of the tongue. Skin. We can feel a thing by touching it. This is done with the help of the skin. Hot or cold, smooth or soft or hard, etc. Let's learn about our body parts that help us to use our senses. Before that, let's read our 5 sense organs. They are sense of sight, sense of taste, sense of sound, sense of touch, sense of smell. Cool. You look excited to learn about it, right? Yes. So, we will first learn about the sense of sight, which is the part of your body likes you read your favorite comic book, and which part like you cry when you upset? Yes, our eye. Let's understand our eyes work. Rays of the light enter the eyes through the cornea, pupil, and lens. The rays pass a gel-like structure are called vitreous. And this is the center of the retina that we were able to see everything to around us. You are smart. Let's learn about our sense of taste. The organ that is used for taste is our tongue. Let's see how it works. Almost surface of the tongue there is papilla. What likes bump? These are the 4 types: filiform, foliate, circumvallate, fungiform. The taste buds are looked at on a wall, the papilla. They have taste hum, taste pore, sensory cells, nerve fiber. A flavor enters to the taste buds and sensory cells in the flavor and sending information to the nerve fiber. They send the details to the brain and thus we know the flavors that we tasted. Now you know how you come to the flavor of your favorite ice cream or anything. Seems like you are having fun this, right? Now let's learn about the sense of sound. The organ that is used to senses of sound is our ear. First understand the structure of ears. Look closely. This is the outer parts of the ear called finger. You can now look at the next structure is called the external auditory canal. Here is the membrane known as an eardrum. There are three small bones, the anvil, the hammer and stirrup. Together it passes vibration to cochlea. Now let's learn about the sense of touch and our sense of touch work. Skin. We can feel hot and cold pain in pressure after all skin. Now look closely. The skin is many layer. The inner layer is known as dermis. Dermis has so many nerve endings. This nerve can send and receive information into the spinal cord and brain. The spinal cord in the brain tells us what to do next. Touch is actually not a single sensation. It is a mixture of four sensations. The sensation of cold, the sensation of warm, the sensation of pressure that a warmth of layer, smooth or rough, the sensation of pain. Parts of the body like finger, lip or nose have more nerve endings, so they're more sensitive. It's to learn about our senses of smell. The work in which is used for smell is our nose. How does taste work? Nose. Look closely here. At first the smell enters in our nose. There is mucus inside the nose with the smell dissolved. Then it stimulated the hair-like ending, our olfactory receptor. This process generates the nerve impulse which travel back to brain. The part of the brain that processes smell is known as of limbic system. That's why we smell things. Now you know about the senses of your body. Facts of 5 sense organs. Our tongue can have 20,000 to 80,000 taste buds. And our ear have 24,000 sensory cells. The stirrup is the smallest bone in our ears. And our skin is the largest we have because it covers our whole body. Remember, all the sense organs of our body make our life easy and comfortable, right? They enable us to see, hear, smell, taste, and feel all the good things of life. Okay, students, now it's a story time. Okay, I'm going to show you a story about Ali. My five senses. I have five senses. I see with my eyes. I see the frog jumping. I hear with my ears. I hear the bird sing. I smell with my nose. The roses smell. I taste with my. The candy tastes sweet. I touch with my hand. The ice feels. Whatever I do, I use my five senses. Students, did you like that story? Yes, it's a very nice story, right? So now let's do some activity. Students, now this is the activity. Okay, the five senses. Take and write the words that matches the correct action for each body parts. And now I am going to show the questions. Okay. We space with our nose. We space with our eyes. We space with our ear. We space with our tongue. We space with our hands. So these are the questions. Now I am going to show the answers. So students, these are the answers at the table. So now what you have to do is, you have to take the correct answer and write the correct question. Okay. So you have to put the answer in the correct action for each body parts. Right? So let's try. We with our nose. For what? Yes, very good. For smell. The next one. We use with our, for what? Yes, we use with our for see. We use with our to listen. Yes, very good. So tell me the next question answer. We space with our tongue for what? Yes, for taste. The last question. We space with our hands for what? Yes, touch. So, very good children. Students, now it's a riddle time. Guess the riddle, but watch out, you only one had to try. So let's try. The first riddle. These organs enable you see things. They each contain an iris and lens. What is it? Students, can anyone tell the answer? I am going to repeat the question. Okay. These organs enable you see things. They each contain an iris and lens. What is it? Can anyone tell the answer? Yes. The answer is eyes. Very good. And then go to the next riddle of 2. This is the organ in the middle of your face with which you smell and you breathe. What is it? Tell me the answer. Okay, once again I am going to repeat the question. Okay. This is the organ in the middle of your face with which you smell and you breathe. What is it? Can any guess? Yes, very good. The nose, right? And now riddle of 3. This is waterproof covering over your whole body. It is the largest organ. This is the waterproof covering over your whole body. It is the largest organ. What is it? Yes, skin. Our largest parts of body is skin. Right, students? Yes. Next, go to riddle number of 4. These are the organs on either side of your head that allow you to hear. What is it? These are the organs on either side of your head that allow you to hear. What is it? Students, it's easy question. You have to answer it. So tell me the answer. Yes, very good. The answer is ear. Okay, then go to the last riddle of 5. This is the organ which is flexible. It can move everywhere in mouth. This is the organ which is flexible. It can move everywhere in mouth. What is it? Yes, it's our tongue. Very good. Excellent. Students, now it's time to work. Now I am going to give you a task. Okay, students. Now I am going to show your activity. Okay? My 5 senses. Draw lines between the pictures and the words that best go together. These are the pictures and words. You have to do is you have to draw lines, the pictures and the words that goes to best together. Okay? For example, our hands. Our hands goes to where the best words is what in our hands? Yes, touch. So the first example is hand will go to the words of touch. So you have to take this work on your thematic notebook, and after finish your work, please send me through Viber. Okay? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I am with you always. Okay? Now recall our success criteria. You will be successful if you can tell what are the sense organs and also if you know the uses of sense organs. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you all have enjoyed today's lesson. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.
DPS TeleClass